everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to show you the Paws coin of your account, how you can check your allocation, how much coin you are getting in the Paws coin mining, and I'll also tell you how you can make your uneligible account to the eligible criteria. How you can make your account if your account is not eligible in Paws coin mining. You can just appeal a form. I will also provide you all the details how you can provide the Paws coin allocation form properly so that you can get your account to a eligible account. So don't miss the video. It will be very important for your Paws coin mining. And also I want to share that in my Telegram channel I always try to share the most profitable and free offers in my Telegram channel so that you can earn a decent amount of money in the monthly basis, and you can also earn a decent amount of dollars and other currencies if you can work hard in this kind of projects. Some projects are very simple. You can just join these projects and work almost 5 to 10 minutes in your daily basis, then you can earn a decent amount of money in the end of the month. So don't miss out my Telegram channel. Link is given on the description. Just go to the link and join my Telegram channel for getting the most profitable airdrops in the internet. So let's talk about how you can check the Paws coin allocation. First of all, you need to go to this uh, community tab. I will put the link in the description so that you can go to the link easily. Just click on the Paws community app or pawscommunity.app. Then click on verify yourself. Then go to the Paws Telegram app or any other Telegram app you want. You can use other Telegram other browsers like Brave browser or other browser. I am continuing with my Chrome browser. Let's see how much coin I will get from the Paws coin mining. Here is I have only 2095k Paws coin. Then I am clicking on the left corner, then I am clicking on the climb, and then here you can see my activity check is not completed. That's why I think I am not eligible in the Paws coin mining. So here you can see I am not eligible for the Paws coin airdrop. If I click to the next button, here you can see looks like you are not eligible for the airdrop. Here is the dialog box is showing. So I am not eligible in this Paws coin mining. So how I can get my account to an eligible account in the Paws coin mining? So let's talk about this. First of all, I think you can now easily find out how you can check your allocation in the Paws coin mining. So let's talk about how we can appeal for this problem, how we can solve the problem. Here you can see Paws eligibility appeal. I have already shared on my Telegram channel appeal form. Here you can see, just click on here button, then click on open. I'll put all the link in the description. You can just go to the link and easily appeal for your Paws eligibility appeal. So first of all, you need to give your Telegram username here. I will put the username here. Then here you can see you can use to retire your ID. If you don't know how to retire your ID or use your Telegram ID, just click on this bot. It will get you to the Telegram bot. Then you will be given a Telegram ID. Then put the link, put the ID on this button. Then paste your Solana address. Then paste your ton address which you have connected to the Paws coin mining website. If I go to the main website, I can show you the full details. If I go click on my profile section, this is my ton address and this is my Solana address. So use them, the same address here and here. Then describe the reason why you think you may have been banned. So describe here. I will put here that I have not completed the activity check, so that's why they have banned me from the eligibility check. Here you can see the referral count. You can easily check your referral count from the climb section. If you go to the eligibility check criteria, then if I go to the wallet connections and calculation next, So I can't check the referral section. If you can, then if you know how much referral you have, then you can easily uh, type the amount. Here you can see copy link, copy invite link. Here is one, so I have only one refer, so I will put one here on the referral count. Then your Paws balance. So my Paws balance is 95. Then go to the next. If you have W Paws balance, then type here, or you can, if you don't have, then type here 0. If you have badges, then select it, or then if you don't have, then click on none. And where you eligible to mint Paws voucher. So you, if you have 3000 coin on your Paws mining, then click on yes, and if you don't have 3000 coin, then click on no. Did you mint Paws voucher? I have not. I didn't minted the Paws coin voucher because I don't have the minimum amount on my account, which is 3000 coin, sorry, 300k. So just click on no if you don't have minted. If you have minted, then click on yes, then submit the form totally. So that is the procedure to be eligible in the Paws coin mining if you are not eligible like me in the Paws coin mining. Hope you have got the idea how you can be eligible in the Paws coin mining if your account is not eligible. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. Link is given on the description. Thank you.